Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how I created this 3D text using Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Dimension software. Let's get started. So first you need to open Adobe Illustrator software. Create a new document, choose the width and height as 2500 pixels and then with the RGB color mode, raster effect should be 300 pixels per inch, then click create. Next take your text tool and type your text here and then align your text as you want. Then you need to choose a good font for your design. The font choice is very important to create a 3D text, so choose a font which have more width to it. For here I am going to use this Mochita Display Regular. This will have some rounded corners and smooth curves, which will be very good when you convert this into 3D text. After this you need to add a 3D effect to it. Select the text and go to this effect menu, then go to 3D and materials, then click inflate from here. In case if you can't see any effect here, just change its color, then the effects will show up. Okay, now you can see your effect. You can adjust the depth and volume here. And then you can also rotate your text, depends on your design. So this is okay for me actually. So after this you need to export this as an object. To do that you can actually select this layer, go to window panel and then choose asset export here. This will open this asset export panel. Just drag and drop your text here. Now this is considered as an asset here. After this, from this format panel, just choose this object. Click this drop down here and then choose object format and then click export. So this is now exported as an object. After this you need to open the Adobe Dimension software. In Adobe Dimension software, create a new document. You can find the asset exported in a separate object folder here. Open this and then drag and drop this object to this Dimension software. This is now zoomed at max, so you need to zoom out a little bit. To do that you can actually use this pan tool. Click this pan tool and then pan out a little. Then choose this move tool and then move this object above the plane. You can actually rotate this canvas using the orbit tool. You can find the orbit tool here. Choose this orbit tool, click and drag to actually rotate this and then use the middle mouse button to actually move this canvas. This is okay for me. After this you can actually choose this object and then double click the object to edit this. Here you can find the base color options. Click this and you can change your color of the object. After this you can control the opacity and roughness here and then also this metallic option. If you increase this metallic percentage, it will add a metallic effect to the text. If you increase this, then it will add some glow to your text. So based on your purpose you can actually edit this. For now I'm going to do is I'm going to add a material to it. Just double click this layer, go here and then you can choose materials here. From here you can actually use any kind of material. All you need to do is just select this and then it will reflect here like this golden text here. The one I have used in the previous poster design is this. After choosing this, you can change the color of this material. Change its color to whatever color you want. Based on the material, the properties will also change. In case if you choose some other material, the properties panel will have different options for it. So just play with the settings and get whatever effect you need. For now, this is okay for me. And then I'm going to render this file. So go to this render panel here. Click this. You can enter the file name here. And then you can also choose the quality from here. And in this export formats, you can actually export it in two different types. You can export it as a Photoshop document or you can also export it as a PNG file. I prefer mostly PSD file because you can actually open this in Photoshop and then you can easily edit it. Here you can choose the location of your file. After choosing all this, you can click render. After your render completed, just open the PSD and then you can drag and drop this text into a canvas and then you can actually use this in your design. So that's it guys. This is how I created this 3D text using Adobe Dimension and Adobe Illustrator. Adobe Dimension is also used for creating mockups. In case if you guys are curious about creating mockups using Adobe Dimension, please leave a comment. I will make a video for that. If you like this video, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more design content. I'll be back with another awesome design tutorial. Until then, signing off your Arivu. Bye.